In a world full of MBA programs, how do you choose the one that actually makes a difference? Welcome to the MBA program at Mittal School of Business, lovely professional university, where innovation goes beyond the classroom and careers are built with real-world grit. Ranked 38th in India by NIRF 2024, NBA accredited, recognized globally by Times Higher Education and CMAGO Institutions rankings. A proud ACSB member, standing among the world's elite business schools. Here, the curriculum isn't just taught, it's co-designed with industry. Powered by EduRevolution, learning happens through the 50-50-50 formula. 50% learning through real-world projects. 50% beyond the classroom. Less lectures, more doing. 50% grades from hands-on activities, not just exams. Students even have the opportunity to generate revenue and fund their own education. And they actively participate in decision-making across curriculum, evaluation, events, and more. From affiliate marketing for real brands to hands-on dropshipping projects. Students dive into the business world from day one. Whether it's branding unbranded products or managing livestock portfolios. And the startups? They're not just classroom ideas. Like Chickles, India's first chicken chips brand, from financial markets to business management. Our specializations are industry-aligned and backed by certifications from EY, KPMG, IBM certifications, and many more. Step into the analytics lab, gain real-time exposure to data-led decision-making, and master the tools top firms use to lead in a competitive world. All of this unfolds inside one of India's most future-ready campuses. With an Olympic standard indoor sports complex, a buzzing shopping mall, ideation zones, and dynamic learning spaces where ideas are built and launched. With 1,200 plus recruiters, packages up to 49 LPA, this isn't just another MBA. It's your launch pad into leadership. Lovely professional university, where business begins.